There you guys go. 3 miles or 17 minutes to the hotel. I just hope that there'll be something around there for food. I just hope there'll be something there for food. That it's not like a little neighborhood like this. Because this here is just like a sleepy Bloomington neighborhood. I love this trail, though. Hey guys, it's just when like everything's wet, you know, everything starts to move around on you. The helmet, so you gotta tighten it. The little noose that's there. Also, when your whole helmet is inside, when it's perforated and wet, that thing loosens up after a while. So yeah, when things are steamy and wet, a lot of things tend to move and shift with the bumps. And your body's getting weary and sort of tired. And you're already thinking like 15 minutes from now. 15 minutes from now, please. Only 15 more minutes. Please, only 15 more minutes. Ooh, Key Grove Brewing Company. We like that. We like a good brewery. But that's 2.5 miles away. 15 minutes. Alright guys. Let's start. Stop complaining. Gonna move on this last furlong here. Hi. Okay, so we're getting somewhere where it's like more lit up and lively, and I see at the end of the tunnel, I think there's a pretty busy street there. Yeah, a lot of things passing there, so maybe Okay, we're only 2 miles away. Okay. Come on, guys. So that's like downtown Arlington Heights and back. It's nothing. You got this. Volentino and Fitingiuria. Oh, to the willing, harm is not done. Come on, guys. Volentino and Fitingiuria. Oh. And yeah, for a while there, the trail was bumpy, guys. For a while there, it proved to be very, very bumpy. Alright, so we're getting off, or we're hanging out right here on the trail. Yeah, see, some people from the yard have a nice little, have built themselves a little staircase exit onto the backwoods here. That's real ingenious to me. You just walk out your backyard. I have a beautiful set of place like this to walk. Okay. See a big high rise there or something. A hospital maybe. Something's happening. Public restrooms. We've got 1.6 miles to go. About 10 minutes, guys. Okay. Climbing them hills, make it look easy. Going them down hills, make a little money. Ooh, big tree falling. .1 mile, and I gotta get off the trail. Guys, don't make me sing. Don't make me sing, please. Whew. Later, when I get into the hotel room, it'll be, guys, don't make me dance. Please don't make me dance. Grand view.